Well, a few days ago, I built a coffee table with a lift-up mechanism in it, and my daughter-in-law really liked it. And she especially liked it when she found out that this mechanism was a pop-up and she could use it for lunch. So here's the table. It's got this really nice lift-up mechanism, and it works pretty good. But I got to put a finish on it. So I'm going to take the lift-up mechanism out, and then I'm going to separate these so I can put the finish on them. Now I'm getting ready to prep the inside of the coffee table. I'll do under the coffee table, and I'll do the bottom side of the coffee table top. So I'll get those sanded, and I'm going to use this product. I hope you can get a good look at this. The General Finishes Armor Seal. I'm going to use semi-gloss on it. I'm going to put it on with a foam brush. This is me slopping on a primer coat on the bottom of the coffee table. Tom's checking it out. This image is me slopping a primer coat on the inside of the coffee table. And then I'll come back later and put on a second and maybe a third coat on these areas. And now finally I'm sanding the underside of the coffee table top and putting on a primer coat on that as well. This product is available in quarts or gallons. That's available in gloss, semi-gloss, and satin finish. Yesterday, we got 3 coats of Armor Seal on the underside of everything where it don't matter. Under the tabletop and under the table and inside the table. They're all finished now, like you see here. So today, we're going to do the stuff that matters. This is the tabletop, and we're going to put on 3 coats. I hope to get one on today. Well, I will get one on today. I just hope to get 2, but I don't think that's going to happen. This is a Mirka Duro sander, and we're going to be using the Abernet 100 grit because this is already pretty good here. So we're going to go with 100 here with the Abernet. Abernet is a mesh product, and it really works good when you're trying to keep the dust down and have a vacuum system. And now we're switching to the Abernet Ace 120 grit. The Abernet Ace is supposed to be the cat's meow when it comes to abrasives from Mirka, and we sure got plenty of cats around here. Well, now we're about to put on the top of our coffee table, our first coat of General Finishes Armor Seal, semi-gloss, oil-based. That's what we're going to do right now. I'm using a 3-inch foam brush here because it works really good in a quart can. And this stuff, this Armor Seal from General Finishes really flows out nice. I do like this product a lot. I use it on a lot of different things. The first coat, done. In this clip, I'm putting finish on the legs and the sides of the coffee table. All the rest of the coffee table, the inside, if I flip that over, the inside and the top part, it's already got 3 coats. So this is just a matter of getting the first coat on the legs and the outside of the coffee table. You might wonder what I'm swiveling that on. It's what's called a triangle bearing. It's a TR12C, the part number of it. And I use that a lot for projects to make it a little easier to accomplish, like you saw me do it also with the top of the coffee table. Well, I didn't get the job done yesterday. It's early enough in the morning now, so before I go to bed tonight, I'll be able to put on the 3rd coat. So today, I'll start by scuffing the tabletop for its 2nd coat and make sure it's good and ready. I'm scuffing between coats with a 3M Scotch-Brite pad. The part number is 3M7447. It's actually my favorite one for that purpose. Well, this is it for the second coats. I've got the tabletop done, 2 coats, and now this is the table itself, 2 coats. So now when it's dry tonight, I'll put on the 3rd coat and reassemble the table. Well, I finally did finish the coffee table. I got the 3 coats on. I think it looks really good. If you ask me if there was anything I regretted, it would be that I wish I would have made the base of the coffee table about 8 inches longer. And then that would have provided some storage space on each side. Then I would have built compartments. As far as functionality is concerned, this is really a nice working coffee table. Now, I didn't fill the nail holes because this is an especially rustic application for my daughter-in-law, and she has a lot of pine that we put in there. This whole place is full of used pine. This was all made out of leftovers from the project in her basement. I think this is really a nice coffee table. I'm glad I did it. The one thing I hope in the course of this video is that you came to appreciate how good a product this General Finishes is. I really love using it. It's a really nice product for woodworking projects. So if you like this production of the coffee table, and give us the thumbs up, do the like thing, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.